think you should be very capable to go and create your own form fields, have a play with it. Always remember with a form to test it. Okay, so what you're testing the email that the customer receives and the email that you receive. We want to make sure that data is complete. Okay, so enough about that. I'm going to let you go and have a play and make a few forms. If you want to make a new form just to play with, that could be a good idea. So you can go and add a new form, give it a name like test form or Sarah's form, whatever you want to call it. And you can actually start by one of the pre-populated forms anyway. So it's a good idea to start with the standard form, because that'll give you the basic information like name, email and mobile, and a nice text area. So top tip there, make a test form and start with the standard, hit create, and here you can see a nice form field. This one automatically has the nice subscribe link in there for you as well if you want to make sure that people opt in. So top tips there. Well, task number one, go and create your own test form and have a play with some of those fields. Familiarize yourself with the different types of fields. And then what we're going to do later on in this episode is drop your test form onto a page so that we can go and do a test submission and check out that landing page, but also the email that your customers are going to get.